Hello all, welcome to my channel and another interesting video where we will see about AI based writing board. If you are looking for something which writes automatically for yourself and complete your writing, and then you have landed at the right place. So let's go and see what is Jenni and what is about AI writing board and how it provides different features to make an easy writing. Type into your internet browser Jenni AI. I'll give the link in description for your reference, and this is the home page, how it looks like. We can try Jenni for free, and we can also have, there are some options and pricings available. But first, let's sign up. We will say sign up with Google, which is the most easiest and convenient. There we go, and then we just have to answer some of the questions so that we can create our documents organized way. So let's assume other. Okay, and there's a bot even coming. How would you describe? If you say student, then I mean it's more wonderful. How did you hear from us? It is on, let's say, about Google search engine, anything, whatever, it doesn't matter. Okay, so create new documents. Let's create a new document. Right, for example, if we are writing an email, because I think emails are most importantly very workable. So in email, for example, leave absence, let's assume. Write description of your email, but optional but recommended. Want to apply for leave, right? And write in a professional way and say start writing. So can you see there are different levels of it, like blog, email, essay and others, but in this we will explore email and we will just explore the other rest too also. Leave. So write hello employer, start pressing the arrow, then it will automatically help you. I emailed, I hope this finds you well. I'm writing to request your leave absence. This is amazing. Can you see it is just predicting and it is showing you automatically all the words that could be helpful. That's nice. It has written just in couple of minutes everything. Isn't it amazing? Right. That's it. This is amazing. This is super. You can just change the text, change the headings, and there we go. So it's wonderful. That's it. You can just copy paste this entire thing on your Outlook or on your email and you can just use it for your reference. Or else, let's see the other feature in this. We can also download it and save it as reference. We can also save it as image, like we can use it later on if this is more convenient to us. I mean, whichever is more feasible. Let's say leave and let's go to dashboard, right? Let's create one more document and let's say we want to write a blog. Let's say I want to write about machine learning benefits. Oh my god, this would be a game changing. So I don't want to describe anything. Let's say it's professional or academic and let's say start writing. And it is automatically predicting the sentences. You don't have to worry about what it is writing. It is just coming up with different strategy words. You just have to keep on going, pressing arrow, and you can change later on your words into your own words. But to give you a hint, this is more benefit and helpful. This is amazing. This is super. It is just adding me different words. But yeah, I think for this video, this is beneficial. Again, you can download or you can create an image if it is more helpful. Let's go to dashboard and see. Okay, so now here you can download the documents, see it accordingly. Let's can also have a look, like if you are just for students require the most of the usage, then it is only $9, and these are the rest two other options which are like good and amazing. This is amazing. This is an amazing website. Must try one and let me know how it worked. What are all the contents you enjoyed? And it would be a super nice to write with an AI based bot, relaxing and just trying to read and focus on other thing in meantime. It's a wonderful website. Go and try it out and let me know your and share your experiences and comments. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.